Here is the quick simple take before you buy. What's up everyone, today we're looking at a product worth your attention. Are you tired of using bulky and unreliable speakers for your events and performances? Well, I've got some great news for you. The JBL Professional EON715 powered PA speaker is here to change the game. This powerful speaker is designed to deliver advanced acoustic performance, with state-of-the-art technology that ensures uniform coverage across the entire listening area. You'll notice the difference as soon as you turn it on, with clear and balanced sound that fills the room. The woofer is designed for lower impedance and high efficiency, and the horn delivers smooth off-axis sound, making it perfect for both indoor and outdoor events. The EON715 is also incredibly portable and lightweight, making it easy to take with you on the go. It's powered by 300 watts of ultra-efficient discrete Class D amplification, which provides clean and clear sound. You can even control the settings from your phone or tablet using the free JBL Pro Connect app, or use the backlit color LCD screen on the unit itself. Many customers have purchased and reviewed this product, and it's clear that it's a well-reviewed and popular choice among musicians and event providers. I've used the EON715 for several events, and I can attest to its ease of use and versatility. The built-in pole mount and optional universal yoke mount make it easy to set up and configure, and the stackable cabinets allow for easy storage. Whether you're a musician, DJ, or event planner, this speaker is a must-have. It's perfect for small to medium-sized events, and can even be paired with the optional EON718S subwoofer for added bass. With its powerful sound, portable design, and user-friendly interface, the JBL Professional EON715 powered PA speaker is the perfect choice for anyone looking for a reliable and high-quality speaker. So why settle for anything less? Give the EON715 a try and take your events to the next level. If this helped, hit link is in the description for the current price. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.